Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you my personal journey in dropshipping business. My name is Samuel Dollar, and if you're watching this, it is either you want to start a dropshipping business or you're already doing one. So today's story is just to inspire you and also help you not to make the same mistakes that I did, that you should learn from them and improve and make your dropshipping business more successful. I heard about dropshipping years ago, but I got serious about dropshipping business when I found a group on Facebook by the name Ecom Empires by one. The founder's name was Nick. So I joined the group on Facebook. My dropshipping journey started, and so I created my first Shopify store, and it failed terribly. Now this is why it failed. I didn't know that you needed a premium domain name as your URL in Shopify. Just knew you could use their default domain name, let's say microphone.myshopify.com. Instead of me changing my default domain name after I've done the store design and everything to a premium domain name, I did not do that. The customers who were coming to my website could see .myshopify.com, and to those who knew about dropshipping then will tell that this store is dropshipping this product, and no customer wants to buy from a dropshipping store knowingly. So that is the first mistake that I did that you should not do. I found a very good product by then. I was selling a wooden bow tie. Another mistake that I did was I did not know that I needed to edit the product description to remove all the supplier's element. Let's say the brand name, if they say this product is shipping from China, I ought to have removed it. Anything that in the description that could tell or could suggest this product is not from me, I was supposed to remove that. Also, I did not know that I was supposed to write my own product description. Don't judge me, this was many years ago. If that was not enough, I did not tag the product images. Product images had store names and ad branding. After now editing the product, when you push it, it goes to your store. I did not remove shipping from. The customer on my website, on the main website, was seeing literally this product is shipping from China. So under the variants, they will see shipping from. Then they will choose China. I had a very good product, and my target in mind was perfect because I was targeting wedding, groomsmen, prom related, and which of course I made some sales, which I'm going to talk about. But before that, a bad supplier messed my business. Now, when we started, there were no private suppliers. There were not many per se. The supplier on the other end took nearly 45 days to ship product to the customer. Many customers are impatient so when a product takes more than 7 days because they are used to Amazon, which takes 3 to 5 days. Now this started interfering with the shipping flow and also with the store management in general. And then PayPal holds and ban kicked in. Customers that did not receive their product in time, majority of them filed for a dispute. Some filed for a chargeback. And when this happens, PayPal or any payment gateway provider that you are using will automatically put your funds on hold for a specific period of time. PayPal deemed dropshipping as a high-risk business. These are the information they needed from me, which I think you should have before starting your dropshipping business. 1. They needed a tracking code proof that this product left the warehouse and it is either on transit or delivered. By then, there were no PayPal tracking code apps on Shopify. No one had come up with that idea to design an app that allows dropshippers provide a tracking code automatically as a customer places an order. So there were no tracking information. So what I'm saying is have a Shopify tracking code app. Unlike when I started dropshipping, today I must ship a product sample to test its quality before I ship it to anybody or before I start selling it. But then I didn't do that. The product that I was dropshipping had a very poor quality despite the images and assurance from the supplier. So my first feedback from my first client is send me a photo. First, the product reached when it was broken. The wood that were used in making this product was of a poor quality. I did not ship this product to test the quality and also to see how long this product can actually take in terms of shipping to reach to me. That is a mistake I no longer do. When Obelo started, they did not have an option of the custom section where you will just set up a default message that telling the supplier on AliExpress not to include his personal details. Now when I started, my supplier used to send his personal details to the customers, meaning whenever they're doing the product packaging, he will include his business card and address and everything. So some customers noticed that this product was not from the website they bought it from. This made me change my mind about AliExpress dropshipping. And nowadays just use AliExpress for data purposes, meaning I'm going to see what product is trending, getting the product, I'll import it using AliExpress, but I'll use a private supplier who understand the logistics of dropshipping and offer professional services, which means they know I'm dropshipping. They will not include personal details. Still on the supplier, try and find a supplier who can communicate in English. So all these factors contributed to my first store failing, and it failed terribly. Even though I made about $600 to $1,000, 90% were refunded, some were chargebacks, and also I spent over $200 on Facebook ads. So I lost a lot of money in my first attempt at dropshipping. But I've learned over the years and acquired very new. So use my first dropshipping story or my first failure at dropshipping to inspire you so that you don't make the same mistake. So let me know if you have any question in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to answer them.